Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Volvo XC90 battery. This guide will help you safely and efficiently swap out your old battery for a new one. Before starting, ensure you have all the necessary tools, including 10, 12, and 13mm wrenches or sockets. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gloves and eye protection throughout the process. Let's get started with the first steps. Now let's access and disconnect the old battery. First, locate your battery, which is usually found in the trunk under the floor behind a side panel. You will need to remove any covers and the hold-down clamp, often secured by a 13mm bolt. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, using a 10mm wrench to prevent electrical shorts. Then, disconnect the positive terminal. Carefully lift the old battery out of the vehicle. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good electrical contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits securely. Reconnect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly with your 10mm wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal, also tightening it securely. Ensure all connections are snug to prevent any loose contacts. Finally, let's perform some crucial checks. Secure the battery with its hold-down clamp to prevent any movement during driving. Double-check that both terminals are tight and free from corrosion. Start your vehicle to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. This helps protect our environment and ensures safe handling of hazardous materials. Great job! You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.